Practice your listening and pronunciation skills.
Once upon a time in a big city, there was a person named Alex who really loved music. He liked exploring record stores and going to concerts to find new songs. One sunny day, Alex was in a record store, looking at music albums. Another person, named Lily, who also loved music, walked in. They both liked the same kind of music. Alex and Lily decided to explore the store together. They found music they both liked and shared stories about their favorite songs. While they were talking, they saw a flyer for a surprise concert happening that evening. Excited, they decided to go together. At the concert, they danced and enjoyed the music. It felt like the songs were connecting them. After the concert, they went to a coffee shop to talk more about music and share their favorite stories. As the night got darker, Alex and Lily realized that they had more than just music in common. They felt like really good friends. Even though they spoke different languages and came from different places, their love for music brought them together. When it was time to say goodbye, Alex and Lily promised to go on more music adventures together. They were happy to have found each other in the busy city, and they knew their friendship was like a special song that made life more wonderful. And so, in the middle of the city's busy streets, the friendship between Alex and Lily continued to grow, making every day a little brighter, with the magic of music and the joy of new friendships.